Hello friends, welcome to CodeBattleZone. Today I am going to show you how you can create a chat widget and how to use the chat widget in the GoHighLevel. Basically, I'll show you from the beginning. Let's start the battle. First, we have to log in the dashboard. I am already logged in. So this is the dashboard. Let's go to the sites. Here you will get the option to manage chat widget. See on the top bar, here is a chat widget option. Click on that. You will see the list of the chat widget that I have created, but currently we don't have any widget. So let's start to create a new one. See, there are 4 types of chat widget we can create. So I will show you by creating one. Rest of the others you can try yourself. It's very easy. So I will create the live chat first. Generally it used. So here is the edit screen. We can name the live chat widget as one, just as per your need. You can name the chat widget so that you can understand. Now see, the preview is there on the right side. This is the chat widget screen. Now here you can manage the style, different style, theme. You can change the message as well. This is the default message. This is the greeting message, welcome back. Then it will be the name that will use here dynamically. See the prompt option, chat window, title info, live chat as sign enable contact form, show live chat welcome message. There are various options that we can manage. Messaging option is also there, language option is also there. So these are the settings of the chat. By editing we can update the chatbot style and the content of the chatbot. So it's very easy to create a chat widget. Now we'll see how we can use the chat widget. First, save. There's various options. One is the get code. This is the code of the chat widget. I'm pasting it here. We can use the script to any other third-party sites, but when we are using the GoHighLevel sites, then we don't need to use the script. We can directly assign the chat widget, and this is the script when will be used when the widget will be on the other side outside of the GoHighLevel. Let's see how we can use the chat widget in GoHighLevel website. I have one chat widget currently. Let's go to the website. I'll show you on the website. Here is the website. I just open. You just need to go to, just open the website first. I just open the home page. See, there's no chat widget currently. Now I'll assign the chat widget. I just go to the settings. Under settings just go down. Here is the option Chat Widget, selected none. Now you will get the option live Chat Widget. Just select and save. See, reload the home page. See, the Chat Widget is on the bottom right corner. Here is the Chat Widget. This way we can use the Chat Widget in website under GoHighLevel. And if you want to use the Chat Widget in the other platform outside of the GoHighLevel, then you just need to use the script. It will work perfectly as same as you seeing on the GoHighLevel site. Same result you will see on the other site as well. I'll show you on the funnel also how you can same thing, same settings, and let's go to a funnel. I think there is a funnel. Okay, let's create a funnel for now. Using a template. Actually, I'm not going to use any existing funnel, so use this one. Funnel is almost like website, and in the funnel you will also see the same type of settings page. So this is the funnel template. I'm just going back. To the funnel. Here is the option settings for the funnel. Here you will get the option Chat Widget, same structure like the website. Here we have selected Chat Widget, saving. Now preview the funnel. See, here is also the Chat Widget appeared. So this way you can use the Chat Widget in GoHighLevel. It's very easy. You can try yourself with the other type of Chat Widget. I already showed you. There are 4 types of Chat Widget, and currently I use the type 1, that was the live Chat Widget. So that's all regarding. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you found the video is very helpful. Also subscribe the channel so that I can come to you with new videos. See you in the next battle. Bye bye.